face that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No getting old, don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill.
Well, hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be a productive type of video. I am currently working on my bookshelf. I got these bookshelves off of Facebook Market for 50 bucks. The lady was moving and she needed them out. She sold them to me for $50. Now they were not in perfect condition. One of them, the backing is like ripped. Two of them, they were missing the bottom shelves. And then one of them, she said it tipped over and fell when they were painting her house and it got scuffed in the front. So there's a lot to do. We gotta fix all those little minor details. We're gonna start on that. And now I'm gonna go to Lowe's, get some wood so that we can cut it up and make the 2 shelves that are missing to complete the 5 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 shelves that it has. Now, my plan is to put some wallpaper on the back of the bookcase because originally I wanted to paint them, but it's just such a big project to undertake with little kids that it's just not feasible right now. I think when we move from this place to like our home, that's probably when I will probably hire someone to paint them the true color that I want, because my dream is to have like a teal bookcase. Who knows, maybe later on when the kids actually go to school, I'll be able to do it with time and patience. I'll have more hours in my hand, but right now 2 out of the 3 kids are at home, so that's not gonna happen. So I settled through, obviously I went on Pinterest and I settled by putting a wallpaper on the back panel of the bookcase. And this is the wallpaper that I settled on. Look how pretty it is. I love it. It has those kind of like green teal hues that eventually I want to spread in the kitchen because my desk and like my bookcase is part of the kitchen. So yeah, I think this is gonna be good.
Keep doing it. And do it this.
Luckily, I had my dad to help me with this project because I could not have done it without him. He is my engineer dad, and he actually was able to cut the shelves because we were missing 2. Now, we also had to paint them black so that they obviously matched the rest of the shelves. And then we started to work on the back paneling of the shelves themselves. Once we took them off, we used duct tape to stick them together. Because they are panels, it is easy for them to move around, and since we're going to be using the wallpaper, we want to make sure that they do not move. So the duct tape is going to secure them together. Now, as I mentioned, they did have some damage from the fall. Only one of the 4 bookcases did, so my dad used wood filler and also glue to help fix it. Once it dried, we sanded it down and then painted it black. It's a new day to continue on our project. We are working on the 3rd bookshelf. This is gonna be a lot easier because they're in pretty good shape. We just have to put the back wallpaper, and then tomorrow we're gonna finish the last and final one. One tip I will give you is you want to make sure to label the panels. We put B1, B2 to symbol bottom 1, bottom 2. That way you know where the top and the bottom is, because they are different sizes once you have all the panels stuck together. So you want to make sure you place them together. Then I use this adhesive glue on the panel as well as the wallpaper itself. And you want to spray both because then you're able to lift it easily, as you can see we did, if it does not go on correctly. So now we just have to line it up. As you can see, it's the most difficult part to make it look cohesive. But we're left with this space right here, which we're gonna have to find a strip to align. I don't know. It's not gonna be perfect. We're gonna probably have to add like a book. We should have just cut it because last time we accidentally got glue on here and it's still there. It's kind of hard to take off. We should have really just cut this because look, it aligns perfectly. But that's all right. I figured if it's not perfect, I can put books here, like my Harry Potter books, and it'll cover it. As long as the rest looks nice and cohesive, which from here, you can see it does. Also, do not recommend doing that spray inside. I mean, I knew this, but we live in Florida. It's hot out there, y'all. We are squeaking up this floor with the glue. It'll come off though, because it happened last time with water. So, since we already have the boards out, we have pre-cut the next bookshelf. We lined it all up so we have 1 row, 2 rows, and then whatever was extra, we tried to find the rest to cover the top. And it looks really good. You can even tell that we had to cut that top part. This is looking good, you guys. And my floor still squeaks. One left, and then I gotta reorganize all these books. That looks so good, you guys. I love it. It is officially the last one. We're gonna do it. I'm so tired. It's been a long day already, but this is the last bookshelf. We're gonna use these bags to place underneath so that the glue falls on here, because last time the glue was everywhere. It was on the floor, it was sticky, it was just a lot. So we're going to use these as coverage. The last bookshelf is here.
Now all that I have left are memories. Won't you come back again? Baby, we could try again. We could try again. Come back again. I don't wanna play no game. Maybe you should come back, we could try again. Oh, I wish I realized we were in paradise. And now, every time I fall asleep, too long to realize that I take your love for granted.
Now, one thing that can happen is that you might get bubbles, but have no fear. You can push them out with your finger or with the plastic tool, but if they don't completely come out like this little piece right here, it's okay. I'm gonna put books right there. You won't be able to see it. It's not a big deal.
I don't wanna play no games. Maybe you should come back, we could try again.
All right, my friends, it has come time to finally place our books and decorate our bookcase. It came out so good, you guys. I just love the wallpaper. I feel like it really adds a huge pop, but it's not too overwhelming. I still have to get some lighting because the lighting just didn't work out, and I'm indecisive as to what type of lighting to use. If I should get like floating lamps or the inner lighting, or even just like little lamps here and there. They have like these really cute bookcases lamps that I really like. I don't know. We'll have to do that on another video when we start adding more nicks and knacks. But for now, let's start placing these books on the bookshelf.
I don't wanna play games. You should come back, we should try again. We could try again. We could try again. Baby, we should try again. Yeah. Come baby, we can try again. Try again. So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of chasing coins. Because it's a beautiful day. Isn't so come on, let's play.
And we officially have a library. I love it. I really loved how it turned out. I think it looks so good. As you can see, I stuck with the black. I was going to paint them originally like a teal color because that's my favorite color. But then I felt like, you know what? Maybe let's add a little bit of color and pop to the background. That way, if we do move from here, which eventually we will, it'll be easy to place in another home. I just don't know what my future home would look like, and I just want to make sure that I have kind of like a blank canvas, but with a little bit of a pop, hence the wallpaper in the background. Now, the wallpaper is something that I can obviously change as well. I think eventually I will have my teal bookcase, but for right now, this will do. The background has hints of greens and teals, and I think it just really ties in well with the kitchen. So I really enjoy it. I hope you guys love it. Let me know if this is a DIY that you guys are gonna start doing, because let me tell you, it is so worth it. So the results are supreme. And I'm so excited to just add more books to this collection. I cannot wait to decorate for fall. That is the next project. I still have not decorated my home for fall, so you can expect that video sometime next week. I've been slacking, not gonna lie. We got to this horrible sickness where it was like a stomach bug, then a cold, then kind of like a pink eye situation with my kids. I don't know, it was like a hot mess. So that completely just derailed my plans of filming, and I'm now getting back into the swing of things. So I cannot wait to decorate this wall for the holidays, starting with lots of orange leaves and pumpkins. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.